All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Tensorflow course, and we're still going over our module. I said the wrong module name yesterday. We're not doing the understanding visual transformers anymore. We're doing the building visual transformers from scratch. So that's the module we're going to be going over, and that's the what we're going to be going over this morning. So let's have a look at what we went over yesterday. We were going to implement this code here. Our model equals tf.correct.sequential. And you can see all the information we have. Our input array, our model.compile, and our output array. We actually compiled that this morning. I'm glad I did because I forgot that we broke our image down into patches. So if you recall in the beginning when we go through our images, our 16 images, or for each one of those 16 images, they were broken down into 16 patches. So I have to go through each and every one of those patches to get through this part here. It took a lot longer than I thought it would, but we got through it and now we're ready to pick up from that. As you can see, the last thing we were going to do was compile our new model shape or predict our input array. So let's see if that went through. And as you can see, we still have our shapes from the last time we ran it, a 1 by 256 by 768. And if you move down a little bit further, you can see that we actually did start compiling our predict input array, which will be this here. So this is the input array that our model is going to predict from our output array. So let's go and go down and see everything here. And you can see that everything went completely through. So this is our tensor here with our input array from our compiling of our tf.correct.sequential. You can see our embeddings, see 1064, our input length equal 10. So this is basically a 3D tensor. And I can show you that it is a 3D tensor. If we go back up to the top, we can count the brackets and see how many let's see. So if you count the brackets here, it'll tell us the shape of our tensor. So you can see here 1, 2, 3. So that indicates it's a 3D tensor indeed. And we go back up here, you can count our commas. You can see here 1, 2, 3. So we do have our 3D tensor. Everything is going good like it's supposed to moving forward. So we're going to keep taking notes and keep on compiling our code and moving forward. And now we're building visual transformers from scratch. And I do apologize for getting the wrong name yesterday. We all back on track. Of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. And for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.